Hi students, welcome back to our English class. Today we are moving to the second unit. It's about films. Films have become an important part of our life. It influences the society, especially the younger generation who are always attracted by films and their heroes. Through the medium of films, a filmmaker can convey positive values to the society and can also respond to the social evils. The second unit, the frames related to films, consists of an article, Project Tiger, by the great filmmaker and writer Satyajit Ray, a screenplay, My Sister's Shoes, the intro scene of the feature film Children of Heaven by Majid Majidi, a renowned Iranian filmmaker, and a song Blowing in the Wind by Bob Dylan. If you are a great fan of movies, they must have certainly influenced you in making your decisions, thoughts, feelings, views, etc. Films are produced on runners. Have you heard about the word runner? Runner means a particular subject or style of literature, art, or music. Films are produced on genres such as action, suspense thriller, history, romance, mystery, biography, animations, and so on. Now you know about the different genres of the movies? Okay. Film production is a teamwork. Do you know who are the team members? Yes, you are right. Actor, producer, director, cameraman, cinematographer, choreographer, editor, art director, etc. Each crew member has an important role in making of a film. You know, the director plays a pivotal role in the making of a film. He or she is the actual filmmaker. See, do you know who these great filmmakers are? They are Charlie Chaplin, Akira Kurosawa, and Adur Gopalakrishnan. Let's know more about them. Charlie Chaplin. He was an English comic actor, filmmaker, and composer who rose to fame in the era of silent film. He became a worldwide icon on his character in The Tramp. He is considered as one of the most important figures in the history of the film industry. Akira Kurosawa. He was a Japanese film director and screenwriter who directed 30 films in a career spanning 57 years. He is regarded as one of the most important and influential filmmakers in the history of cinema. His working methods, influence on style, and in selection and adaptation of themes in cinema makes him special. Rashomon, Seven Samurai, Akira are the major films directed by him. Next, Adur Gopalakrishnan. He is an Indian film director, scriptwriter, and producer. He is regarded as one of the most notable filmmakers in India. All of his films draw on the history and culture of his native Kerala. His genius lies in his ability to create visually complex films that are yet universally important. Elipatayam, Mathilugal, Videyan are his major movies. Let's move to the lesson Project Tiger. It is an extract from Childhood Days, a memoir by the renowned filmmaker Satyajit Ray. It tells us how he managed to shoot the scenes of a film which included a tiger. Let's see the profile of the greatest Indian filmmaker, Satyajit Ray. He was born on 2nd May 1921 in the city of Calcutta in a family prominent in the world of art and literature. He started his career as a commercial artist and was inspired by the French filmmaker Jean Renoir and Italian neorealist film Bicycle Thieves. He directed 36 films including feature films, documentaries and short films. He was also a fiction writer, publisher, illustrator, calligrapher, music composer, and film critic. He also authored several short stories and novels. His first film, Pathet Panchali, won 11 international prizes. the Government of India honored him with Bharat Ratna in 1992. He passed away on 23rd April 1992. Let's move to the summary of the memoir. Project Tiger is an extract from childhood days and by the renowned filmmaker Satyajit Ray. It tells us how he managed to shoot the scenes of a film which included a tiger. The memoir clearly reveals the stress and strain involved in the process of filmmaking and also throws light on the great effort taken by master filmmakers. Ray begins his article by showing his respect to the Hollywood filmmakers who have high regard for animal actors. So students, now take your textbook and read the lesson The Project Tiger. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.